welcome to my demonstration on how to lift and hold a baby, and also I will demonstrate on how to burp a baby. And for my demonstration, I will use a stuffed toy to show you how to do the proper way. Before lifting and holding a baby, clean your hands with alcohol or do the proper hand hygiene. There are different ways of holding a baby. First is the cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on neck, head, back, and also at their bottom. Another way of holding a baby, lap hold. Get the baby, sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at your knees. Baby's feet should tuck in your waist. And lastly, hip hold. Get the baby, face your baby outward and make her sit on your waist, and baby will comfortable to look around. And now I will demonstrate the different way of burping a baby. First is the shoulder hold. Get a burping cloth, place on your shoulder to manage the mess. Get the baby and hold against your chest. Gently tap or rub the back to make her burp. The next one is face down on your lap. Gently assist your baby on a sitting position on your lap. Support the neck and head with one hand. Tap or rub the back to help her burp. The last one is sitting up. Gently assist your baby on a sitting position. Support the head and neck. Gently tap the back or rub to make her burp.